Hello, my sweet baby. Today let's learn numbers together. 1 to 10. Let's go!
One bamboo balloon floating to the moon. Two cute birds chirp chirp in the words. Three bouncing balls roll and bounce down the halls. Four funny ducks waddle quack, what luck! Finding 5 yummy fruits, crunchy munchy sweet treats. Six fast cars, vroom vroom racing stars. Seven shining stars, twinkle twinkle from afar. Eight bubbly bubbles, pop little troubles. 99 flying birds, flap your wings, say your words. One balloon, flying to the sunny moon. Two little birds, chirping happy singing words. Three bounce.
Thank you for watching Cartoon Tales. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more entertaining videos.